Let's draw a cute little dinosaur. First, let's start by drawing two big eyes for the dinosaur. Draw two large circles. Then draw a smaller circle inside each large circle. Next, we'll connect the eyes to draw the dinosaur's face and body. Draw a semicircle on the left side and a curved line on the right side. Then draw another curved line on the left side to complete the body shape. Now let's add the dinosaur's nose. Once the nose is done, draw the mouth below it. Use a black marker to fill in the eyes of the dinosaur. After that, draw two small horizontal ovals below the eyes. Draw the eyebrows above the eyes. Continue with the black marker to draw the spikes on the right side of the dinosaur's body, using a wavy line. Then, draw the patterns on the dinosaur's body by making ovals. Now we move on to the coloring part. First, take an orange marker and color the sides of the dinosaur's cheeks. Then, use a yellow marker to color the oval patterns on the dinosaur's body. After that, take a blue marker to outline and fill in the body of the dinosaur. This deepens the overall color, making the dinosaur look more lively and vivid. I added a second layer of coloring here, but you can add layers and fill in according to your preference. After coloring the body, take a silver yellow marker and decorate the blank areas by drawing circles. After that, use a pink marker to outline around the silver yellow circles. Finally, add some embellishments and take a light blue marker to outline the eyes. And that's it. Our drawing is complete. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.